Today is second ultrasound day. The Tarte palette that I got. My godmother and her family coming over. And then you have more of your like belly. It's going to make it even more real. Sorting out baby clothes. It's been my favorite combination. Like you can see the bulb. Good morning, welcome to a new vlog. As you can hear, I am recovering from a cold. I had like a throat infection. My nose was all blocked up. I am feeling a bit better today. I can breathe and my throat feels a lot better, so I'm very excited about that. Today's Monday. This week is going to be so great because my boyfriend has the rest of the week off after today, and I do have an appointment tomorrow, but after that we're free. I think on Thursday afternoon we're going to leave for our parents because it's Easter Sunday, and so we're spending it with family. It's gonna be so fun. We have a massage booked on Friday morning, him and I, and I'm so excited. We're doing 45 minutes. I don't think we've ever done 45 minutes. I'm beyond excited. I need it so bad, especially after the coughing and everything, like the sneezing. I feel like my back has taken quite a hit last week, and I'm so excited about that. Also, my godmother is coming to eat with my family on Sunday. I'm so excited because I haven't seen her in like 6 months, I think, so I'm really glad about that, and I'm going to be spending some time with my parents and Honey, and especially after that on Monday, so next Monday, we will be bringing Honey here. My parents are going away for 2 weeks. It's harder to get someone to kind of look after our dog for so long, and I was like, you know what, I'm working from home, like literally. I'm totally fine with that. And next week my sister is not working as well, so she'll be coming here so that we can, all three of us, take care of Honey because we're on the top floor and there's no elevator. He's used to being in a house. We're going to have to kind of train him to really tell us when he needs to go potty and everything so that we can have kind of a routine. He's usually really good with that. It's just like I'm a bit nervous about like taking him out of his environment. Like he's come here before, but not without my parents. He'll be driving with us as well, and I'm a bit nervous about that. Like, you know, he knows us and he loves my partner so much, like obsessed. But yeah, I'm very nervous that he's going to think like something's happening. Am I overexposed? And also my sister coming. I haven't seen her since the last time she came 2 months ago, and it's been way too long. Like, now I really wanted to show you the Tarte palette that I got last time because I've been wearing it every single day. I'm literally obsessed. It's just so freaking good. What I love about this palette is I feel like it's exactly the kind of shades that I need. I really wanted kind of more of very subtle kind of colors, so you have more champagne and neutrals, and then you have more like pinks over there, and then you have more of your like burgundy and your browns. I feel like it's the perfect kind of neutral palette, but you can use pretty much all the time because I feel like a lot of the colors are very spring appropriate, but also a very kind of fall winter. So I feel like I can do all seasons with this palette. Also, the quality is so nice. Like, they feel super buttery, incredible to put on. The color payoff is so good as well. I think my favorites are Petal and Rose to kind of mix in the crease. It creates kind of the perfect dusty rose, and I feel like Petal on its own can look very dusty, but with a little bit of rose on top or mixed with it, it's been my favorite combination, especially because I have green eyes. It kind of really makes the green pop. And then for the lid, I love to do a shimmer. I usually use either Paradise or Reflect. Reflect is really luminescent. Like, it's so pearly, a lot of shimmers. It looks incredible, but I feel like with what I'm wearing today, it looks very taupe on the camera it's a bit more pink in real life. So I think I'm just going to go for Paradise today. Nice little change, and it's very kind of, it's definitely a pink but with a lot of peach in it, but still quite natural because the shimmer is not aggressive or anything. Also the colors are so buttery that I feel like for the shimmers the best way for me to apply it is with my fingers. Then after that I take the same brush that I used to apply the crease and base colors and just go around just to mix them together. And then I take this brush, which is new to my collection and I've been loving it, is the shading brush from Real Techniques, like from their eye kit, I believe. It's number 307 and it's the perfect shape for under the eyes. So I go back and take a mix of petal and rose and I go under the eyes. I never used to put eyeshadow there, but I feel like it just really ties everything together. I think I just didn't really have the proper brush to do that before. I'll show you just without the mascara so you can see. And that's how it looks with mascara on. I just love how everything kind of ties together. I think it looks very spring-like, which I'm excited. I'm saying that and it's kind of very cloudy outside. Battery was charging this morning, but we're going because I have my nail appointment. I'm so excited because they're super long right now and it's one of my self-care moments. Today's the day. Today is second ultrasound day and I am so nervous. I'm really trying not to be because there's no point, but my brain keeps just being like, maybe something will be wrong, maybe they'll find something that you haven't thought of. So many pregnant women say that it's kind of normal to be nervous before the ultrasound or an appointment. I understand the principle of it. It's just like my brain just keeps going places I don't want it to go, but I'm trying not to kind of focus on that. We're also finding out baby's gender today, which is super exciting. Nerve-wracking at the same time in the sense that it's going to make it even more real and we're so excited to find out. It's just like a part of the fun, you know. I have no idea what it is. I'm not really sure. I keep going back and forth, so we'll see. I've slept way better as well. My sleep was so bad and I was like, I don't want to feel out of it for the ultrasound. I did wake up pretty early this morning considering that my partner is on vacation, so we didn't really have a wake up time or anything, but I woke up at 7 and I had slept well, so that's okay. And then I tried to kind of go back to sleep, and then at 7:30 baby started moving and kicking so much that it was impossible for me to ignore it. So I just like patted my stomach and we played for a little bit. Then my partner woke up and I was like, feel the baby. That's why I'm not getting a lot of sleep, which I've loved, to be honest. I'm not complaining. I've been waiting for the kicks and everything for such a long time that I'm totally fine with that. So nothing fits, so I've been wearing leggings for a long time. That's belly. Can't really see from the front, I think, but then from the side there's no way to hide it. I will be putting this down for the ultrasound, but nothing fits, so that's what we're going with. I'm really going to try to film as much as possible. Even for us, I love looking back on ultrasounds, and I know that our family and friends will want to see the images as well. It makes it more real for everyone. I don't know, like, if I'll have the courage to ask if I can film, especially with my camera. We'll try, because the footage will be so much better. going to the spa. We're getting a massage. I'm so excited. I really hope you cannot hear that my dad is blasting Celine Dion after listening to Billy Ray Cyrus and actually Miley Cyrus. Like, he was listening to a playlist and there were a few Hannah Montana songs, which was really funny. Hi, I hope you're doing great. I haven't really talked much since the ultrasound. We've been running around like headless chickens. I've been sorting out baby clothes with my mom. We've been sorting out this closet as well. My dad redid the entire room, so it's so beautiful. Like, he redid this wall to kind of like for soundproofing and for the heat and whatever. He redid the ceilings as well. He painted the entire room. He made this up so that we have more storage. This is so pretty. And he redid the entire library area and it looks perfection, honestly, so nice. So we're doing great over here, and today we have my godmother and her family coming over, which is going to be great because I haven't seen her in over, I want to say 6 months. So you know, it's been crazy. Also, great pimple over here, loving that. Also, I'm wearing this dress that I wear all the time, but it looks so much different when you're pregnant and I love it. It looks so nice. Like, you can see the bump over here, and baby's been moving so much, and it's even still very weird to be filming and talk about the baby because I haven't been talking about it that much. But yeah, I'm pretty tired. My belly hurts a bit because I've done way too many things in the last 2 days. They've been productive, they've been great, so we're happy. And now we're going to sort through the baby clothes and then going to start prepping for lunch, which I think my dad has started already. We're doing a barbecue and my mom and I are doing a delicious tart. I'm excited. Sunday. I'm actually filming on my phone because my sister surprised me and came yesterday for our family meal, which was so amazing. We went for a walk in the afternoon. I asked her to keep my camera, and because she had pockets and I didn't, and actually she left and kept the camera with her. But good thing is that I see her in 2 days, so I'll be able to get my camera back. So right now I'm filming on my phone and it's Sunday. I'm having a chill day. I did a little bit of work this morning that I needed to finish. I just took a nap and it was a great nap. And now I'm just taking in some vitamin D and I'm going to be reading in the conservatory because I haven't really sat down so far this weekend. Enjoyed just being calm, quiet, and put somewhere and not move for hours. So we're gonna do that. Yesterday was so nice. It had been such a long time since we had a family day and really enjoyed being together, and the weather was great. My dad made stuff on the barbecue, so it was even better, and it was just such a wholesome day and really a day that I realized I needed so much. My cup is filled.